Hi, I'm Brandon with Vivo, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the belt inside the cotton candy machine. Now first and most importantly, the power will need to be unplugged from the machine to avoid electrical shock while you're working on it. So with the power unplugged, the next thing you want to do is release all 4 latches so that the bowl can be removed. And for access to the inside of the machine, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, and you'll also need a flat blade screwdriver or other flat tool. The next thing you'll want to do is to remove the 2 silver shields that are underneath the spinner. These are each held on by 3 screws for a total of 6 screws that have to be removed. Remove the top cover plate from the machine, which is held on by 2 screws. And with those screws removed, the plate simply lifts off. With the cover removed, you'll now have full access to the inside of the machine. So now you can take your flathead screwdriver and remove the original belt. If the belt is still intact, you can simply cut it out using scissors or another cutting tool. So now to install the new belt, first loop it around the side of the head and over the top, which will allow you to move it down inside of the machine. As you're moving the belt down, use your flat blade screwdriver to push the carbon brushes out of the way, which will allow you to move the belt down to the bottom of the shaft assembly. Now with the belt at the bottom, loop it around to the pulley area, and then use your flat blade tool to stretch the belt around to the motor's pulley. With the new belt installed, you can now put the top cover back in place, securing it with the 2 screws previously removed. And then with the top cover in place, you can put the silver shields back on. Now with the machine fully reassembled, place the bowl back on and lock it in place using the 4 latches. If you have any questions or concerns with replacing the belt or any other component of your cotton candy machine, please feel free to contact our customer support team and we will be happy to help. Thank you for watching.